Is now the right time to buy or sell Exxon stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Exxon. We initially published a report on our website on Tuesday, December 5, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 22, 2023, our system has identified Exxon as a sell candidate with a score of -2.31. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock experienced a loss of -3.43%. This translates to an average daily loss of -0.38% since it was categorized as a sell candidate. The stock is currently in the midst of a significant downtrend in the short term, indicating a further decline within this trend. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential decrease of -13.64% expected over the next 3 months. The estimated return could range between -17.13% and -7.91%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a -2.29% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from -4.84% to 16.41%. In other words, the stock price could range between $95.58 and $116.92 after 12 months. Our latest update on Exxon reveals that the stock price experienced a decline of 1.94% on Tuesday. On the last trading day, the Exxon stock price dropped by 1.94%, moving from $102.43 to $100.44 on Tuesday, December 5, 2023. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 2.04%, reaching a low of $100.29 and a high of $102.34. In the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 7 instances, resulting in a total decline of 3.89%. Although the volume of shares increased by 4 million on the last day, the prices were falling. This could be an early warning sign, indicating a slightly higher risk over the next few days. In total, 22 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $2.23 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for Exxon stock was $126.54, while the lowest was $98.02. Currently, the price is 20.63%, or $26.10, below the 52-week high of $126.54, which is also the all-time high for this stock. Today, let's take a look at some recent analyst ratings for ExxonMobil Corporation. On Friday, November 10, 2023, Piper Sandler upgraded their rating on ExxonMobil to overweight with a hold action. Turning to Thursday, November 2, 2023, Bernstein gave ExxonMobil an outperform rating, also with a hold action. Back on Friday, October 27, 2023, CFRA gave ExxonMobil a buy rating, accompanied by an upgrade action. That same day, Bernstein rated ExxonMobil as outperform with an initialize action. Lastly, on Friday, October 27, 2023, Wells Fargo upgraded their rating on ExxonMobil to overweight while maintaining a hold action. Analysts have given Exxon stock a general strong buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as strong buy and price to book as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. To summarize, analysts strongly recommend buying Exxon stock based on its performance indicators such as the PE ratio and price to book. However, they have a neutral stance on the stock's return on investment. In this analysis, we will be looking at the signals for Exxon. Let's start with the positive news. There is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. However, we also have some negative signals that could impact the stock's short-term development. Both the short and long-term moving averages indicate sell signals, painting a more negative forecast for Exxon. Additionally, the relation between the two signals shows a general sell signal, with the long-term average above the short-term average. On the upside, if the stock experiences corrections, it may face resistance at $102.69 and $105.67. Breaking above these levels would generate buy signals. On the downside, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, October 19, 2023, leading to a 11.13% decline so far. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is found. It's worth noting that volume rose on falling prices yesterday, which could be an early warning sign. It's important to closely monitor the stock in light of this. Today, we'll explore some interesting signals that can help you make better investment decisions. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence. It's currently giving a buy signal. Pivots, on the other hand, gave a sell signal 33 days ago. Bollinger is showing a buy signal that occurred 1 day ago. The short-term moving average gave a sell signal 10 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average gave a sell signal 45 days ago. If we analyze the relation between the short and long moving averages, we find a buy signal 42 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart for more insights. The short moving average gave a buy signal 24 days ago. In line with this, the long-term moving average also gave a buy signal 24 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages also indicates a buy signal 24 days ago. For more signals and detailed analysis, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Exxon. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. This means that if the right conditions are met, the stock may perform poorly in the next couple of days. However, it's important to note that Exxon tends to have very controlled movements overall. With good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered to be very low. In the past day, the stock had a range of $2.05 between its highest and lowest points, representing a 2.04% fluctuation. Looking at the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.23%. Let's start by discussing some essential fundamental data before we explore potential trading levels for Exxon. One important measure is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. It compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. If a company has a relatively low PE ratio, it could indicate low expectations for its future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, presenting a potential buying opportunity. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected on Jan 30, 2024. Keep an eye on this date as it can significantly impact stock prices. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings report are at $2.21. These figures can have a significant influence on stock prices, so it's important to pay attention to them. Today, we'll be discussing some important day trading levels for Exxon. If the stock experiences an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $106.47. If you're considering entering a position, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached. However, if you already own shares, this could be an opportunity for swing trading. It's important to note that there isn't significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock could potentially experience a sharp drop under certain conditions. If you're an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations, proceed with caution and consider placing bets accordingly. The average rating for Exxon from multiple analyst sources is strong buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On November 29, 2023, Woods Darren W. conducted an insider buy of 225,000 shares of common stock. On November 29, 2023, Woods Darren W. conducted an insider sell of 29,513 shares of common stock. On November 29, 2023, Williams Jack P. Jr. conducted an insider buy of 124,000 shares of common stock. On November 29, 2023, Williams Jack P. Jr. conducted an insider sell of 15,150 shares of common stock. On November 29, 2023, Michaels Catherine A. conducted an insider buy of 117,800 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is positive with a ratio of 38.819. Overall, insiders purchased 23,090,832 shares and sold 2,290,551 shares in the last 100 trades. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this stock and a stop loss has not been set. Is Exxon stock a good investment? Exxon currently shows several negative signals and is in a declining trend, indicating that its performance may remain weak in the upcoming days or weeks. Therefore, we have a negative evaluation of this stock. Through our analysis of the volatility and movements in the last trading day, our system suggests that the current price of Exxon is undervalued. On Wednesday, December 6th, we anticipate Exxon to open with a rise of $0.583, starting at $101.02. Before we dive into today's topic, I want to emphasize the importance of understanding the risks involved in trading. Trading can result in financial losses, so it's crucial to consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Remember, StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome back to Stock Invest. Today, we want to share our current view of the stock with you. We're eager to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and let us know if you agree or disagree. We're also curious about your target for this stock. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.